Hello guys and welcome back to Universe Sandbox 2. Okay, so here's our solar system. It's pretty cool. Let's start out by just destroying it before we move on to an actual simulation that we want. That is 8. Oh, it goes towards the mouse. Oh, well. There goes the solar system. Okay, so there's some cool things that are already here. So if I can find it. Ooh, this one has moons. I've been looking for that. So Earth actually has a moon here? Oh yeah! Oh, that's actually really nice. Been waiting for something like that. That gives me an idea. So, do something like pool where you hit the moon and it bounces into the Earth, but I know that will be like impossible to do. So we're gonna have to slow down time, kind of coordinate everything. So if the moon's going right, and the Earth's going left, I need to hit it going around this way. Oh, no. That would have been cool if that worked. Man, the explosions in this game. Utter destruction. Okay. So let's find the simulation I actually did want. In 1 second. Okay. Home. Earth in between suns. Here it is. This is awesome. So the Earth is literally being pulled apart by two suns. It would be very warm on this Earth because, well, you'd have a very small nighttime too. But the reason why it would be very warm is A, you're getting heat from both sides, and B, I'm pretty sure the tension from the gravity on both sides would actually pull the Earth a little bit apart. Probably cause some heat there. And it actually is heating up. And now the oceans are drying up. It's easier to see on this one. See the ocean slowly going away. It's not very slow, actually. Seems like it does it in like phases. It stops, then it goes. That isn't lag. I don't have a little lag warning here. Look at that. The Earth is getting very warm. It's like no water left. It's 162 degrees. Oh, it seems this is the maximum heat we're gonna hit. So there still is some water on Earth. Now I wonder if we hit it just a tiny bit and knock it out of its perfect center here. Which sun will it go towards, or will it be enough? So let's try a tiny asteroid. So the velocity. Actually, I think the gravity towards the asteroid is causing a tiny bit of velocity. No, maybe not. See if that made it. Yep. Now the Earth is going towards one of them. But oh, went a bit too fast there. So now Earth is orbiting this star. For some reason, its ice cap is there even though there's no water. Oh, I think all the water's just evaporating off. It's definitely something flying off. Let's restart the simulation and do that again, but have it a bit slower. So we hit it. Did that actually hit? Yeah, that hit. So now the Earth should have. Yep, it's going towards. The thing about that is, if you think about it, it's going in a circle. So I'm not sure if it's gonna keep being pulled in a. Nope. It's been pulled away enough that now the gravity's taking a larger hold of it. Since the further away it gets from that star, the less its gravity impacts it. So that's cool. Now, if this were to be flung back into the center, which it may actually happen. Wow. It gets really warm and everything evaporates off when it gets near the sun, as you can see here. When it goes away, it actually gets a little bit of water back each time. Thought I saw water. Well, back to here. We have nice design coming out of it. So let's see if we can just push the Earth a little. Oh, actually, I think it's changing a little bit. Yeah, it's going towards the center. It may actually switch suns. Oh, it's getting closer and closer. So at one point, it's going to switch which star it's following, I think. Can't be sure about these things. May just be a cycle, though. That goes on forever. So I sped it up a little bit. Seems that, yep, it's getting closer. Oh! Ah, so close. Let's see one more time if it does it. It got very close to the star there. Oh! Oh, yeah, way too close there. Ha! Because it's been flung away from the sun, all the water it came back, even though it's super far away. It's very dark on the Earth, though. It's so far away from stars. So, Earth is slowly cooling down as it moves through outer space away from the stars. There it goes. Oh! Ice Age. Oh, too fast. And now we have Earthsicle. That popsicle that tastes like everything. Okay. Home. Stellar evolution of our sun. Is this what they meant by evolution? Ah, is the materials going to change? Oh, it's actually like real. It's actually turning from a tiny star to a bigger star, which is a bit heavier, most likely. Heavier compounds inside of it, meaning that over time they should turn blue as it keeps getting larger, maybe. No, it'll turn red. I'm crazy. See if that actually happens. Sun nova remnant. Oh, did the other one supernova? Oh, maybe I missed that. I halved its time from before, basically. It is getting larger. Its luminosity is going up. Yeah, this is the normal sun before it's a remnant. So, I can see, oh, it's and then it explodes, giving birth to this tiny little star, which then is going to grow. That's pretty cool. So you can have never-ending solar systems. I've only formed a few planets when that happened, but I'm not going to complain. It's pretty amazing that they got it working at all. The age is going up, but the size isn't, so let's wait a little bit longer. Da da da! Turn up time more! Yeah. I don't think this one's actually going to change. Well, that was actually pretty cool, though. Is there like an evolve button? No. Okay, so let's try out another one. Supernova the sun in a. Oh. That isn't really, That's pretty cool looking, but I'm not sure if it was supposed to be like that. Supernova close up in real time. Wait, does that mean we're actually going to see this? Oh, yep. Here it goes. It's going Nova. Oh, that's cool. See all the material being ejected from it. It's very bright. It's very, very bright. Let's speed it up a tiny bit. So we can see the star just shooting all of its contents out. But when is the star going to disappear? Is the real question. There! Oh, it's actually losing its mass, I think. Oh no, that's what's left after everything was expelled. So if we continue, this will just grow like anything would in space over time. It's just going to expand. Then hopefully we can... Oh man, zooming into that is very laggy. I do not have a dedicated graphics card, that's probably why. That's pretty cool actually, now I know what it meant by evolution. Planet composition, planet collapsing momentum test. Don't know what that means, but you will find out. Okay, I still don't know what it was supposed to be. Tidal evolution. I probably sound really dumb, but I honestly don't know what they mean by tidal evolution. I know what tidal is, and I know what evolution is, but um, hmm, maybe I'll figure that out sometime. Wow, there's a lot of HD. These are actual planets, I guess, that have been found, made in the game. This one's yellow. Looks like it actually kind of looks like cheese. They say the moon looked like cheese, but that looks a lot more like cheese than the moon. Let's keep going. Da da da. Hey, Gleese. Is that where they found the planet that could be life holding That is definitely not the word for it. Which one was it that they said could have life? Was it this one? Looks a lot more blue in the picture than this. Yeah, I don't think. Yeah. Wait, temperature's -78. So it's gotta be either this one. It's -27, so what about this one? Nope. Huh. I remember reading something about a gliese system. Oh, 785, that sounds more like it, doesn't it? No. No. Ah, now I want to find the one that was said to have maybe life in it. Oh! This one has an atmosphere. It's an improvement upon the others. Although, doesn't have any water, so we can rule that out. I don't understand why people say there can't be life if there isn't water. That only means there can't be our type of life. No one said that other types of life may be different. What if there was another type of life that like didn't need water and had some other thing it used? Like liquid nitrogen. No, I'm joking. Well, anything's really possible. Well, not anything, but who knows? Who knows? Let's see, wow, they have a long list of these. I feel like I've already seen this one. Yeah, I've definitely already seen this one. You have to scroll down the whole thing each time, I think. Wow, that is a lot. Distributed mass galaxy. Here's a black hole. That's why we can't see it. There's a bunch of stars, as you can probably see. And if we speed this up, everything's going wrong! No! All the stars are kind of just attacking each other. It's sad. They should work together for the greater good of the galaxy. All planets in all moods. Experimental method. Whoa. Jupiter's lots of moons. I forgot the exact number. I think it was like either in the 50s or the hundreds, one of those. Mars with its really big moon. Oh, Phobos! There you are. Oh, well, this it is actually. Oh, no, that's not the. Oh, those aren't even really moons, are they? It must not have been Mars that had that. Oh, was it Pluto? Yes, I think it was Pluto who had the moon who was almost as big as it. Charon. Yep. So if we look at the mass of this, 1.31 E. What? Oh, this one's plus 21 and this one's plus 22. So these are actually so close together. That's kind of weird. I remembered that though. So what happens if we add a little bit of mass to this one and make this one bigger than Pluto? Will Pluto be like unfair? Okay, we're almost there. Okay, maybe it wasn't that close to Pluto. Oh, maybe it was. Oh my god. That was such a close. What? They may actually be able to keep a dual planetary orbit like this. not at all hinting at that other video I made called Dual Planetary Orbit or whatever I called it. This is definitely going to crash at some point. I mean, the planets are going to crash, not my game. Hopefully not my game. If we make this just a tiny bit bigger, yay! Did you see that? When it heated up, it actually melted, and it was somewhat, it looked like it would have been a pleasant place for things to live. So let's, oh, that's always a way to do it. Just hurl a moon at it. Press the wrong button there, but that's also a way to heat it up. Maybe not the best. Oh my god. With all the moons, it's too laggy for me to speed it up. Exoplanets. Solar systems. Main. Climate scenarios. Run performances. Crash dump. Ooh. Earth and Moon. Oh. Didn't it say that it was an Earth and Moon collision? Oh, poor Earth. Oh, it's under collision. Single spiral. Collision. Da da dun 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 da dun da dun da dun da dun da dun da dun 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 da 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 dun. Wow. Oh, lag, too many particles. So, galaxy. Is that all? We have grids, although grids aren't very fun. So yeah, collisions. Earth and Mars. Oh, what did I... That didn't even really hurt Jupiter. Jupiter's just like, oh, whatever. It almost warmed Jupiter up a little bit, though. Neptune and Earth. Once again, Neptune's just like, whatever. Even though it is heating up quite a bit. Wow. That did actually hurt Neptune, I guess. Now, if we take away, it's hydrogen that's covering it. See the inside of Neptune. And we'll see if we can actually see a crater there. Do do do. Waiting for it to cool down. It appears the gas saved it, so there isn't a crater. Let's try one more thing before this video. Earth and Moon grazing. I have tried to do grazing shots. Do you see how I slowed it down right in time there? I have tried to do grazing shots before, but they're very hard to get it so that it doesn't actually just absorb it. So, Earth just instantly is getting pwned. It doesn't even really have a chance here. We can see the moon continuing across the side. Now the question is, will the moon survive this? Nope. The moon decided to just go into Earth. Earth has a little bit more mass, but it lost a lot due to this. Let's see if Earth can regain that mass. I mean, Earth's the only thing there. Those particles do have to come back sometime, I'm pretty sure. Because it's the only thing they're going to be attracted to. Their velocity is slowly going down, but the further they go away, the less the Earth's really slowing it. So I don't think it will actually ever hit. Do 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 do. So you can go very fast in this. Trillion years, pentillion years. Oh my god, that's the last of the grid. Zillion, or whatever Z stands for. Whoa. Wow. That's actually the biggest the grid goes. After that, Yeta years. Just a lot of time going by. 28, 29. Okay. You get the point. Let's try one more. Earth and Ceres skimming. This is the difference of skimming and grazing. Maybe this one's less extreme. Oh my god. I didn't know Ceres was that small. Yeah. Let's make our own. Create. Main, new. Okay, so we're just gonna put Earth right here. Here you go, Earth. Your temperature is probably going to drop over time because you're like in the middle of nowhere. Yep, that's what I thought. So let's make this fast. We're going to get the moon to barely graze it, and we're going to account for gravity and everything. Will it hit? Ooh. So I just have to find the direction I hit it from and go a little bit to the left. Actually, never mind. It's being pulled that way now. Oh boy. Zero velocity. Oh! Ah. Dang it. Is there any way to just barely hit it? To the point where the moon isn't destroyed? Maybe not. Maybe it is impossible. Even there. Okay, eat it, Earth. No one likes you. You didn't do what I wanted you to, so now you're going to get kind of annihilated by that giant morphing ball of explosion. It's like fragment rain. Now Earth is just gonna get pummeled. Wow. Oh man, that gives me an idea. This is it, last one, but let's do this. Bam, put that there, and we're going to do the same thing again. So we're going to get a good distance away, point it right at Earth. Oh no! Oh, no, they did it. They did what I wanted them to. It's all good. So now, let's follow what's going on here. They're making a gun, basically. They're shooting all of this material out. No, these two moons are gonna collide. Bam. More fragments. It's literally a planet. Oh, that's Earth. Oh, kind of messed up there. Let's try that again. Okay, new. Bam. Earth. 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 Scroll out pretty far. Slow down time. Shoot a bunch of moons. Zoom into moons. Lots of rubble. Go down. Delete the ones that are actually going to hit Earth. Oh! Oh no! No!